Big ups to Butter. Thank you very much. Remind yourself you're not a fish. That gets rid of hiccups. I'm not a fish. What the f? What the f? Huh? They're gone. What the f? There's no way. That is not... Huh? I'm waiting for them. Say psych right now. There is no freaking way. That cannot be true. Come back. Come back. I'm so fucking confused. Thank you. Anyway. Thanks, Butter. Oh my god. It works for me, you say. Alrighty. Behold the power of reminding yourself you're not a fish, I guess. He's a wizard. I'll remember that one. It's that easy. It's just that easy. I'm not a I hate that that worked. What the hell?